$5,000 buys you a decent used car, a mid-range home theater system, or a week-long luxury vacation. Now it can also buy you a robotic chef capable of preparing 50 distinct restaurant-quality dishes without human intervention. While most cooking automation remained confined to industrial kitchens or experimental prototypes costing six figures, one startup just shattered that barrier with a compact home cooking robot that slices, seasons, sorts, and serves meals indistinguishable from professional preparation. This isn't reheating frozen dinners or assembling meal kits. This is actual cooking from raw ingredients with flavor-balancing AI and self-cleaning capabilities. Today, we're breaking down exactly what's inside this $5,000 culinary revolution, how it actually works, what it can and cannot do, and whether robotic cooking represents genuine innovation or overhyped marketing. Let's examine the technology. The breakthrough positioning. Kitchen automation has existed for decades. Commercial chains use programmed equipment, meal kit services, pre-portion ingredients, smart ovens. Follow recipes. But none achieved true autonomous cooking at consumer price points. Previous attempts either required extensive prep work, handled extremely limited menu options, or commanded institutional budgets. The fundamental challenge: replicating culinary judgment. Professional chefs don't merely follow recipes mechanically, they taste, adjust, compensate for ingredient variation, manage simultaneous cooking processes, and adapt techniques based on real-time sensory feedback. Translating that expertise into affordable robotics required breakthroughs across multiple domains: mechanical dexterity matching human hand movements, sensor systems providing reliable ingredient recognition, AI processing capable of flavor analysis and adjustment, compact form factors fitting standard residential kitchens. After 3 years intensive development combining robotics engineers with professional culinary experts, one startup delivered what they claim solves all these constraints simultaneously. The result: a dual-armed robotic system approximately the size of a standing mixer, retailing at $4,999, preloaded with 50 complete recipes spanning multiple cuisines, capable of ingredient to plated dish preparation, requiring zero human intervention beyond initial ingredient loading. That price point deserves context. Commercial robotic kitchen systems from established manufacturers command $50,000 to $300,000. Even simplified consumer cooking gadgets with minimal automation, smart multi-cookers, automated stirrers, programmed ovens, typically cost $300 to $800, while handling only fraction of complete cooking process. $5,000 for comprehensive meal preparation represents either legitimate breakthrough or unsustainable loss leader pricing aimed at market penetration before inevitable price increases. The answer determines whether this technology reaches mainstream adoption or remains niche enthusiast product. The mechanical architecture. The core innovation centers on dual robotic arms designed specifically for culinary manipulation rather than industrial assembly. Each arm possesses 6 degrees of freedom, sufficient range replicating essential cooking motions including chopping, stirring, flipping, pouring, and plating. Unlike industrial robots optimized for repetitive precision across identical components, these arms handle organic ingredients varying in size, texture, moisture content, and structural integrity. The mechanical hands themselves represent significant engineering. Rather than simple grippers, the system employs adaptive force sensors maintaining appropriate pressure, whether handling delicate herbs, gripping heavy pots, or cracking eggs, without crushing shells. Tool changing occurs automatically. The robot swaps between knives, spatulas, whisks, and serving utensils stored in integrated holders. Integrated cooking surfaces include induction heating zones, temperature-controlled griddle surfaces, and steaming compartments. Precise thermal management enables simultaneous multi-dish preparation, sorting vegetables while simultaneously reducing sauce while monitoring protein doneness. Temperature sensors embedded throughout cooking surfaces provide continuous feedback, enabling real-time heat adjustment. The ingredient recognition system combines computer vision with weight sensors. Cameras identify produce types, assess ripeness, detect browning or caramelization progress. Weight measurements ensure accurate portioning without requiring pre-measured ingredients. The AI processes this sensory data, determining optimal cooking parameters. Perhaps most remarkably, integrated taste analysis. Chemical sensors sample dishes during preparation, analyzing salt concentration, acidity levels, sweetness ratios. The AI compares current flavor profile against target specifications from its recipe database, automatically adjusting seasoning to compensate for ingredient variation. Garden-fresh tomatoes require different salt levels than supermarket varieties. The robot detects and compensates. Self-cleaning automation addresses the perpetual culinary frustration. Cleanup. After meal completion, integrated spray nozzles and sanitizing solutions clean all cooking surfaces and utensils. The entire cleaning cycle completes in approximately 8 minutes, requiring only periodic drainage of wastewater and replenishment of cleaning solution. However, mechanical capability alone doesn't create edible food. The AI driving these systems determines actual performance. The artificial intelligence layer. The software represents 3 years collaborative development between AI researchers and professional chefs. The training database contains over 20,000 recipe data points, not merely ingredient lists and cooking times, but granular parameters capturing professional culinary. Technique. How quickly should vegetables caramelize? What texture indicates properly emulsified sauce? When does seared protein achieve optimal crust without overcooking interior? This knowledge encoding required extensive motion capture of professional chefs preparing dishes repeatedly. Computer vision systems tracked hand movements, documented timing sequences, recorded sensory cues triggering technique adjustments. Machine learning algorithms identified patterns distinguishing successful executions from failures, extracting generalizable principles applicable across ingredient variations. The result: AI capable of adaptive cooking rather than mere recipe following. If vegetables release more moisture than expected during sorting, the system increases heat and extends cooking time, achieving proper caramelization. If protein appears undercooked at standard timing, temperature extends until internal sensors confirm doneness. These micro-adjustments occur continuously throughout preparation. The flavor balancing capability represents particularly sophisticated AI application. The chemical sensors provide quantitative measurements: sodium concentration in milligrams, pH levels indicating acidity, sugar content percentages. The AI maintains target ranges for each dish type. Italian tomato sauce requires different acid-salt-sweet balance than Thai curry, which differs from French bechamel. The system adjusts seasoning, achieving culturally appropriate flavor profiles. User customization occurs through smartphone application. Preferences adjust across multiple dimensions: spice tolerance, salt preference, texture preferences, dietary restrictions. The AI modifies base recipes accordingly while maintaining dish integrity. Low-sodium version of carbonara still tastes recognizably like carbonara rather than generic pasta. The robot compensates through umami-rich ingredient selection and technique. Adjustments. Continuous learning represents long-term development goal. Currently, the system ships with 50 pre-programmed recipes but cannot improvise new dishes. Future updates promise user recipe uploading, photographing grandmother's handwritten recipe card. The AI attempts replication through ingredient recognition and technique matching. Whether this actually works remains unproven. But sophisticated AI means nothing if actual food quality disappoints. The performance reality. Live demonstrations generated viral attention when food critics sampled robot-prepared meals blind alongside human chef versions. Multiple reviewers reported inability distinguishing which dishes came from which source. Some preferred robot versions, citing superior consistency and seasoning balance. One particularly dramatic demonstration involved three-course meal preparation: seared salmon with lemon butter sauce, mushroom risotto, molten chocolate cake. The robot executed all three simultaneously, managing timing so dishes finished within 2 minutes of each other, restaurant-level coordination. Critics praised salmon crust quality, risotto creaminess, cake temperature precision. Several noted the plating exceeded typical home cooking presentation. However, real-world user reports reveal limitations. The 50 recipe library, while covering multiple cuisines, doesn't accommodate infinite variation. Craving specific regional specialty not in the database? Manual cooking remains necessary. Ingredient substitutions work within limits. The robot handles zucchini instead of yellow squash, but cannot improvise when key components are missing. Preparation timing varies dramatically by dish complexity. Simple stir-fry completes in 12 minutes. Elaborate braises requiring slow cooking extend to 3 hours. The robot doesn't accelerate cooking beyond what thermal physics allows, it simply eliminates active human time during preparation. Ingredient loading requires user organization. The robot cannot open your refrigerator, locate ingredients, assess inventory. Users must gather required components, place them in designated zones. For complex recipes requiring a dozen ingredients, this prep work consumes 5 to 10 minutes, not insignificant when totaling time savings. Software bugs emerge periodically. Early adopters report occasional ingredient misidentification, confusing shallots for red onions, mistaking cilantro for parsley. These errors propagate through entire dish. Firmware updates address identified issues, but perfection remains elusive. Maintenance requirements include weekly cleaning solution replenishment, monthly calibration checks, periodic software updates. While less demanding than traditional appliance maintenance, it's not zero maintenance operation. The fundamental question: does $5,000 investment justify convenience gained? The market implications. For time-starved professionals, the value proposition appears straightforward. Arriving home to freshly prepared restaurant-quality meals without cooking effort or cleanup responsibility saves approximately 1 hour daily. Across a year, that's 365 hours over 15 full days recovered for other activities. Many users report improved nutrition because healthy home-cooked meals become default option rather than requiring active effort. For cooking enthusiasts, reactions divide sharply. Some embrace the technology for handling routine weeknight dinners while reserving weekend time for creative culinary projects. Others view robotic cooking as fundamentally missing the point: the sensory experience, creative expression, and meditative qualities of hands-on preparation cannot be outsourced. Without losing something essential. Restaurant industry implications remain uncertain. Could small establishments use cooking robots, reducing labor costs while maintaining quality consistency? Potentially, though $5,000 price point suggests each unit handles limited throughput, probably insufficient for commercial volume. Scaling to restaurant demands might require multiple units plus human oversight, quickly escalating costs. The technology raises broader questions about domestic automation. If robots successfully handle cooking, which household tasks follow? Laundry folding? General cleaning? Child supervision? Each domain presents unique challenges, but cooking's complexity suggested it would resist automation longest. If cooking succumbs to robotics, few household tasks remain obviously beyond automation reach. Critics raise valid concerns about de-skilling. If entire generations grow up never learning fundamental cooking techniques, what happens when technology fails or becomes unavailable? Additionally, does food preparation automation accelerate social isolation by eliminating shared cooking activities that historically strengthened family and community bonds? These philosophical questions lack definitive answers. Technology adoption typically follows pragmatic rather than philosophical logic. If cooking robots deliver sufficient value at acceptable cost, adoption occurs regardless of. Cultural concerns. Current evidence suggests this $5,000 cooking robot represents genuine innovation rather than overhyped gadget. The mechanical execution, AI sophistication, and flavor quality reports indicate real engineering breakthroughs bringing industrial cooking automation to consumer price points. For first time. However, genuine innovation doesn't automatically mean appropriate for everyone. The 50 recipe limitation, ingredient prep requirements, maintenance needs, and philosophical questions about cooking's role in daily life mean optimal users represent specific. Demographic. Time-constrained professionals valuing convenience over culinary creativity, comfortable with technology, possessing sufficient discretionary income that $5,000 represents justifiable expense. For that audience, early adopter reports suggest satisfaction rates exceeding typical kitchen appliance purchases. Whether mainstream adoption follows depends on several factors beyond current control. Recipe library expansion, price reductions as manufacturing scales, reliability, improvements through software updates, and cultural acceptance of robotic meal preparation. One certainty: the barrier separating tasks requiring human judgment from tasks suitable for automation just shifted dramatically. If robots successfully replicate professional cooking, one of humanity's most culturally significant and sensorially complex activities, the question stops being, what can robots do? And becomes, what can't robots do? We're entering an era where that second question has increasingly fewer answers. Drop comments below. Would you trust a robot to cook your meals, or does something essential get lost when algorithms replace intuition? Subscribe if you're tracking automation's advance into daily life, because the kitchen revolution is just the beginning. The future is cooking, whether we're holding the spatula or not.